PodcastHero.com.
Welcome to The Daily Quote, a podcast designed to kickstart your day in a positive way. I'm your host, Anna McGivern, for May 12th. It's International Plant Day, which, let's be honest, doesn't exactly scream party at first glance. But before you scroll on in search of National Donut Day or something a little bit more interesting, give plants a second to plead their case. They're the unsung heroes of our planet, turning sunlight into food, purifying the air, and generally keeping Earth from turning into a dusty rock. With Wi-Fi, so at least we have that. And in their honor, today's quote comes from Lady Bird Johnson, who once said, "The environment is where we all meet, where we all have a mutual interest. It is the one thing all of us share." Now, Lady Bird might not have been talking about your favorite fiddle leaf fig, or that suspicious-looking basil plant on your windowsill. But her words ring true. The health of our environment, starting with the smallest seedling, affects all of us. It doesn't matter where you live, what you believe, or how often you forget to water your succulents. We all breathe the same air, drink from the same water cycle, and depend on plants in one way or another. So International Plant Health Day isn't just about reminding farmers to rotate crops or scientists to monitor pests. It's about reminding you that plant health is your health. It's the apple in your lunch, the tree shading your walk, the coffee in your cup. Yes, even coffee lovers owe a debt of gratitude to chlorophyll. So what can you do today? Maybe water something, compost something, at the very least notice something green and living. And if you're really feeling inspired, whisper a kind word to your houseplant. They won't answer, but it's cheaper than therapy. I used to love having a ton of houseplants. I had so many that my apartment was starting to look like a jungle. Plants have a relaxing effect, and there are a lot of health benefits associated with being around plants. But these days, it's hard to keep a lot of indoor plants because we have a couple of cats, and they love to destroy whatever my favorite plant happens to be. And I actually like all of them. So it isn't easy to have plants around cats. And it's not just that they destroy them. It's that most plants are toxic to cats. Well, you might say, problem solved. But I happen to like our cats. So now we have a limited number of plants that we can choose from, and we have to put them where the cats can't get to. And cats can pretty much get anywhere they want to be. Hence, not very many plants for us. I'm Anna McGivern, signing off for today. But I'll be back tomorrow, same pod time, same pod station, with another Daily Quote.